Support our veterans, everyone. In 8 days, we have silver breaking because on Tuesday, May 27th, keep that date in mind. And that day, the Census Bureau is going to release a key economic indicator set of data that has a history of impacting silver. And I'm going to show you in this video how just in the past few years we've seen silver really move when this comes out. Now, it's the Advanced Report on Durable Goods, and that sounds really not very sexy, but it's a strong economic indicator. It shows us domestic manufacturing, delivery of factory hard goods, machinery, vehicles. It's a strong indicator about the strength of the economy. And what we know from this is that, look, the positive impact for silver is that when we get an increase in this indicator, right, when the numbers are going up, that shows strong industrial activity. And when industry is strong, that means higher demand for silver, because silver, at least 50%, I mean, some people say 60, as high as 60% of the silver that we use is used up for industry. So an indicator like this, I'm going to show you how just in the past couple of years, we've really seen silver move on this data. Look, if it goes down, right, a negative impact is, of course, if the numbers are low and industry is slowing down, then that can reduce the demand for silver, and we get downward pressure. So let's get right into this. Check this out. This is from the New York Ledger, and it shows 2024, right? This is just last year, a blink of an eye. The U.S. durable goods orders, it had declined by 0.8%, less than they expected. And following this, silver prices, you see right there, rebounded after finding support, because they had a less than expected number. So silver responded immediately. And look at this. This is 2020. The Consumer Confidence Index rose. And again, this is showing the confidence and the strength of the economy. And when that index rose to 131, it surpassed expectations. So people were feeling more confident. And we saw that surge in confidence lead to a 3.4% drop in silver. That's from FX Empire, right? From that indicator, we get silver dropping. So these indicators are really key for us. Here's another one. Look, this is from investing.com. It shows October 2024. It's like just last year. The Michigan Consumer Sentiment Index. This is how people are feeling about the economy. It fell to 68.9. That was below expectations. And it says this decline in that confidence contributed to a 1.5% increase in silver, because people lose confidence in the economy. They go into that safe haven for silver. These are the indicators that we have to be watching. So check out how this plays out next week, next Tuesday. That's the 27th, May 27th. See how that's going to hit silver, because we got a history of these indicators coming right at silver. I hope you hit subscribe. In my next video, I'm going to be talking about how my silver dealer, he only buys silver on one specific day of the week. Every week, he buys the silver on this one day. And it really makes a huge difference. And you'll never guess which day he's doing this on.